Hey everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens double box break number 996 of 1314 UD Ultimate. The last ending the break was the Edmonton Oilers on May 12th at 6:50 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So, current date and time, it's like refresh. It's currently Wednesday, May 13th at 12:20 a.m. Eastern Time. So we are streaming live on Breakers here. And also for the people who have yet to register on our Breakers page, really appreciate if you did. Sorry if I sound like a broken record for always going over it, but really encourage people to sign up on our Breakers page. So the date will be changed to the 24th. So that's when the release date of Premier was. So it should hopefully fill that up by then. And our serial numbers tonight are NE22115. 8542 and 1307. So second set numbers. Serial numbers NE221158542 and 1307. That's our second set numbers. So sealed. So trimming this around here. Show you serial numbers one more time, and we'll get started. So good luck to everybody. Five, 4, 2. Okay, let's see. There we go. No patch. Okay, so we start with a base card of Mary Lemieux, $4.99 for the Penguins. Next one is a ultimate rookie of Spencer Abbott, going out to the Maple Leafs. Spencer Abbott. And our next one, we have ourselves a auto rookie, number 2, $2.99 of Tyler Toffoli. $2.85 of $2.99. It's actually having a decent HF tournament right now. And next one is a trios jersey of Tomas Hertl, Sean Monahan, and Alex Chason. 7 of 65, which will be running between the Sharks, Flames, and Stars. Got that right at the end. On to number 2. 1307. So this one we start out with a Matt Molson, $4.99 for the Sabres. This one is a Ultimate Rookies of Lyndon Vay, $4.99 for LA. And our next one is a Redemption. Save that Redemption for last and bring our last card to the front. Our next one is a Ultimate Jersey of Duncan Keith, going out to Chicago. Duncan Keith. And our final hit, we have ourselves a Ultimate Collection Rookie number 299 of Ryan Strome, going out to the New York Islanders. So whoever's the Islanders, I can even message the code if you like. And that concludes our break actually. So we got Ultimate again tomorrow. I think we got 3 more breaks looking at the way the table's set up. And we got box 5 of our cup case tomorrow. And then we got like 2 or 3 loose boxes set up. After we're done our cup case, then we'll start another case here. Okay, so I'll turn you guys around here. So we have our randomizer set up in the order the card appears. So we got Sharks first, Flames second, and Dallas Stars third. So we're going to random the list 3 times. Team on top after the 3rd time will receive the card. So good luck. So 1, 2, 3. Going out to the San Jose Sharks. And you randomize this list 3 times. So if anybody is interested in Masterpiece breaks, we do have a second random team one that we are filling, which should be filled by tomorrow before break time. So